What's going on, everybody? Jason with Heap of Jeep. The new engine is here. Let's unbox this thing, huh? Alright, so what I ordered was replacement Long Blcok from RockAuto. The part number DA36 is a match for an ATK Long Blcok for this particular Jeep. So after going online and reading what ATK does by rebranding their engines, selling them through the different places, I'm 75% sure, 80% sure this is an ATK engine sold under the famous brand name from RockAuto. Either way, it's a Long Blcok. Comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. I think it should do fine. This plastic tub has to go back. This is what you put your old core in to send it back. So take care of it. Don't lose it. That looks like a gasket kit. We'll open that in a second. Oh, it's an oil pump. I guess they stick this thing on some kind of dyno or something to test it. And I'm guessing they need an oil pump to do that with. That actually looks like it might be bigger than the oil pump that I bought. Let me go grab that. Hang on. Maybe not. I guess they're about the same size. They are the same size, but this one says U.S.A. on it. This one doesn't, so might as well go with the U.S.A. one and not the China one. I can send this one back. A Felpro Oil Pan Gasket. I didn't know it was coming with Felpro gaskets. Water pump, seals, all that. All the gaskets that you're gonna need. One of the complaints I read online was how the famous brand engines from RockAuto didn't come painted, but that is definitely painted black. Warning. Okay, so it's just saying clean your intake manifold so nothing gets sucked up in there. Did it come with that? I didn't see an exhaust intake manifold gasket. Let's just see. Installer's guide. Nothing too detailed, just the basics. Common problems and solutions for non-warrantable failures. So it's saying things that aren't covered in the warranty. Overheating, contamination, flywheel bolts over torque, never over torque anything, detonation, preignition, so that kind of thing. Dry start. This type of failure normally results from not priming the oil system correctly. So yeah, you got to prime the oil system. It only makes sense that they're not going to cover that in their warranty. So there we go. Let's take a look at the actual engine. Oh, there's a little overheating disc. They're going to know if you try to return this engine and it overheated. That thing like pops, changes colors or something. So I think it looks pretty dang nice. Everything looks new. They included one exhaust stud, not the other, but I bought that whole Dorman kit, so that's not a problem. It'll be interesting. I'm going to run that number right there. The DA36, that's definitely an ATK number, but I'm going to run that Q815804 and see what I come up with. But all in all, I mean, you can tell it's covered with oil. They put it on something and spun it up, so I'm going to believe that that it's in good shape and go through the entire effort of putting that in my Jeep. And everything looks good as far as I'm not seeing any cracked, broken, missing cast iron, which would concern me. So what does it tell me? Tells me I think I got a pretty good engine. Came with all Felpro gaskets, a made in the U.S.A. oil pump, and the engine itself, I mean, I don't go around doing this for a living, so I don't unbox these every day, but it looks pretty dang good to me. You know, the block looks in decent shape. It's painted. You can tell it was spun up. It's not just like pre-lube oil in there. They actually spun it up and got some oil moving in there. There you go. Price difference. Buying this famous brand from RockAuto, which appears to be an ATK, was $1,300, something like that, $1,400. Shipping was on top of that, and then they charge you the core fee. So all said, it delivered to my house was about $2,000, like $2,070 something. I'll send the old core back. That will get me $500 returned, so about $1,500 for just the engine. I bought a bunch of new parts to put on it while it was off. New clutch, new flywheel, master and slave cylinder for the clutch, new water pump. You know, there's a bunch of new parts that I bought just because it's out. Why switch it when I can put new on? And yeah, we went with that. So all told, I should be in this $1,700, $1,800 when it's all said and done, but I'm doing all of the labor myself, and I didn't replace every single thing I could replace. So there we go. There's the unboxing of the famous brand RockAuto engine. I was a little nervous about what I was going to get based on what people say. You go on those forums and people say, oh, blah, blah, RockAuto this and RockAuto that. I've never had anything but good customer service from RockAuto. Not every part I've gotten was perfect. I've had to send some back and play that game, but they make it pretty dang easy. I'm assuming the same is going to go for the engine. There's a little button I click when I'm ready to send the core back. There's another button I click if I need to report a problem or begin the exchange process. So with the click of a button, if there's something wrong with this, I mean, it'll suck once it's in, but it seems like RockAuto will take care of it. So, famous brand. Inconclusive at this point, but I'll tell you what, I am just opening it up and seeing those Felpro gaskets. I mean, they spent a couple extra dollars. They could have gone with the cheap cork ones, but they went with Felpro. So, fingers crossed they went with some decent bearings and everything else when they put this together. And that's from, I'm sure that's from ATK, not from RockAuto, but however it works. There you go, guys. Hope this video helps. And if you're thinking about a RockAuto engine, maybe this will help, you know, put your mind at ease a little bit. Maybe not. Maybe you're looking at it going, oh, Jason, you're such an idiot. But whatever. There's the unboxing of the new engine that's going in the Jeep.